Season 3 Mega Pack of Shopkins with 20 Shopkins. We have a Season 3 basket, Wanda Wafer, and Beverly Hills. They come with 6 Shopkins in shopping bags and 12 other Shopkins. First is Nutty Spaghetti. Next is Chalk Kiss. Chalk Kiss has the word Shopkins on the label. Next is Brinny. Brinny's Chalk Frosted. Cheese Louise, who is also a Chalk Frosted. Molly Moccasin, who is also a Chalk Frosted. Now we have Hattie Hat. Then we have Fiona Fries. Now we have Sneaky Sally. And Taco Terry. Frosty Fridge. Casper Tap. And the Chalk Frosted Creamy Cookie. Now let's open up our blind bags, or shopping bags. So, what do we have? We have Lana Banana Bread. Queen of Tarts. We have Asparagus. Macaroon. Noah Slice. And last but not least, Bonnie Beret. Thank you guys for watching. This pack was really cool. And I even got 4 Chalk Frosted Shopkins. This is a really great pack if you guys want to get it. It comes with 20 Shopkins and you could add them all to your collection.